Jean, I'm here at the Carol Nicely Conference Center where in just about 30 minutes the auditorium that I'm standing in right now will be transformed into a town hall style meeting held by Congressman Brett Guthrie. Now he's expected to talk about issues like Social Security, Medicare, veterans benefits, and other federal programs. Now he says that this is a great opportunity when Congress is in recess to come back and talk to his constituents about these issues that concern them. Now, the meeting will be open to the public, and it begins here at the Carol Nicely Center in the auditorium at 5:30. I'll have full details on the rest of the event coming up tonight on WBKO at 10. Now, we're here live at the Mass Media and Technology Center on the campus of WKU, where inside today was turned into somewhat like a courtroom where the Bowling Green Independent School System and the Warren County Public School System battled it out before a hearing officer from the Kentucky Commissioner of Education. Now, there are still plenty of details to be worked out in this and plenty more witnesses that will testify. And this will still unfold over the next couple of days as it's expected that this hearing could continue into Saturday. In Bowling Green, Melissa Warren, WBKO. Marquinta Jacobs, a soldier at Fort Knox, has now been charged with murder following a shooting that happened there yesterday afternoon that left one civilian worker dead. Now I'm in Portland, Tennessee, and there's an interesting story that court documents regarding this shooting reveal how I got here. And the senator's recent debate with Governor Chris Christie wasn't the only issue he was willing to discuss today. He went on to explain the reasoning behind his vote in opposition of the president's nominee for new FBI director. I'm here at St. James United Methodist Church where the Empty Bowls dinner has just begun. And here's how it works, guys. This is all to benefit preventing hunger in our community. When you come in, they're asking for a $10 donation and you grab a bowl, and these bowls are actually crafted and donated by local potters. And what you do is you fill up your bowl, you have your soup dinner, and the cool thing is that at the end of the night you get to take that bowl home with you as a reminder of those less fortunate in the community. Ever since the Kentucky legislature made texting while driving illegal, Bowling Green police say they have yet to write a single ticket for texting while operating a vehicle. And they say that's because it's incredibly difficult to be able to tell the difference between someone sending a text message or typing a location into a GPS, surfing the web, or even typing in a phone number to call someone, all of which are legal over the age of 18. During tonight's meeting, just before the board was about to go into their executive closed session to discuss litigation, we asked the board chairman before a room of Bowling Green parents, would you be willing to reconsider your decision on the non-resident agreement?